So this video I'll teach you how to make tons and tons and tons of money the lazy way. Yeah, I mean the lazy way. So let's get into this video. So the first thing you have to do is to move over to Google and search for the SEO clerk. So once you search for SEO clerk, it's going to bring you over to somewhere like this. And once it brings you up to somewhere like this, what you just have to do is to move over to the search engine right here and search for article writing, just exactly the way I did mine. So just search for article writing, and now you are going to see a whole lot of posts. But know that this SEO clerk is just like an freelancer platform where you see lots of people with their different jobs, selling and marketing and all that, just like Fiverr and Upwork. But in today's video I'll teach you how to make tons of money the lazy way with SEO clerks. As you can see, this order is just for $7. As you can see, this order is just for $7. This one is for $5 and this one is for $22. But how do we make this money? This one has about 326 reviews. It means, let's do this calculation right there. It means 326 times $7. That is what this particular person is getting. And for this other person is earning 140 times $5. That is what he is earning. As you can see, this other person has 1,201 feedback. So 1,201 feedback times $22, that is what this other particular person is getting. This other one, 1,251 feedback times $17, that's what this particular person is getting. And I'm going to teach you how you can make your own money out of this. So stick and watch this video down to the end. Now friends, now what you have to do is to join SEO clerk. So just click on the button where it says join up right here and fill in your account. So just click on the button where it says join, fill in your email, your username, which is right here. So fill in your username, your email, your password, confirm your password, and then click on the continue to create your account. Okay, so once you created your account, this is the next thing or the next step you have to take. And now the next step you have to do is to move over to Google Chrome and search for this anyword.com. So anyword.com, and I want you to make sure that you are in desktop site. As you can see right here, you have to be in the desktop site. As you can see, if you're on an Android device, make sure that you are on a desktop site, and if you are on a laptop, there is no need for this. So let's continue. Now what you have to do, if you haven't created an account, you just have to click on this part where it says sign up with Google and then create an account for free. So since I am already on this, I'm going to click on this top button where it says sign in. So I'm going to click on the sign in button. Okay, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's continue with the whole for free. And also, as you can see, if you are on a desktop, if you are on a phone device, just like it's going to show you, please log in on your computer. So I'm going to be turning it over to a desktop site, and once I click it on the desktop site, it is going to open. Okay, so let's just wait a little bit. To create an account on Anyword is actually for free. So since I've created an account on Anyword, what I'm going to do now is to log in. Okay, as you can see, it has logged in automatically because I already have an account on Anyword. So once you're on Anyword is the bot that is going to generate words for you. Now when Anywords have generated words for you, what you just have to do is to go over to SEO clerk and deliver those words. So let me take you through the step. So you have to click on this, in this left corner right here, you're going to click on blog wizard. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this other part. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to this other part of the whole thing. So what you just have to do is to click on that part where it says new blog. Okay, so in this part where it says new blog, you're going to be clicking on that. So once you click on that, but remember you are on a desktop screen. Now once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to something. Okay, you're just waiting for the internet. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to something like this. Now it's telling us to describe the blog post you want, the industry and all that. So I'm going to be filling it, and I'm going to be filling it accurately. Okay, so the blog post is all about how to make money online. You can follow my format in order to fill all this, how to make money online. So this is my own format, and then the industry I'm going to be putting is business and finance. Business, as you can see right there, it has popped up, and then what you have to do is to click on the next part which says next right here. So once we click on next, it's going to bring us over to the title, to add a title. Okay, so generating recommendation of titles for us. So I'm going to be clicking. As you can see, the first title has 80 ranking. So the first one has 80 ranking, which is 10 ways to make money online. So we are going to be going for that particular one. So once you click on it, you're going to click on next. This is a bot. Okay, so now you're going for the outline. Okay, so let's just wait. This is a bot, and you're just making money free from this. Now as you can see, create an account on Upwork and all this and all that. So what I'm going to do is, we are not promoting any product, we are not starting a business. So I'm going to be going for use, get paid for doing nothing, already available skills, what can I say? So I'm going to click on number 7, and then I'm going to click on the next. I clicked on number 7, says get paid for doing not already available skills and what can I sell. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, it's going to, this is a bot. It is free to register and come over here, just get in those words and go over to click to SEO click and deliver it. So you can just choose any one. So I'm going to be choosing the first one. These are paragraph. Now I'm going to click on next. The more words you generate, the more money you get. That's just it. The more words you generate, the more money you get. Okay, so now we clicked on the button and it says continue. Now it's not showing. Okay, we're going to cancel this. And then this is what you are going to be seeing. Now this is the first paragraph, and this first paragraph have about 700 and something words, just like that. Now what you are doing is you are going to generate words. Now once you generate these words, we are going to generate as much work as we can. We are going to go over to SEO Clerk and deliver this work. Now if you're on this, you're going to see that it's showing you something like generate in this other part. I hope you're seeing it, and you're seeing it also in this other part. So we are going to be generating. Now once I click on generate, you're seeing it's going to bring out another title. It's going to bring out another paragraph. It's going to bring up another writing. See, we can fill all of this with writing, and the more the writing, the more our pay on SEO Clerk. Okay, so let's just wait. I think this is the internet which is delaying us. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. So it's generating. Okay, as you guys can see, it has generated a word for us. What we just have to do is to keep on clicking on the part that says generate, keep on generating till you fill in all of this as much as you can. Keep on generating. Once you have generated as much as you can, you are going to copy all these words. I think that it is easy. You're going to click on this copy icon right here. So once you click on it, you copy everything you have generated from here, which are words that are going to sell. Now once you have copied it, you go over to seoclerk.com. As you can see right here, you will go back to SEO Clerk and then deliver. Maybe you can sell this words for $7, you can sell this word for $8, you can also sell this word for $10. So what you have to do is to come over to seoclerk.com and generate all of this. So just post what you have generated from any words, post it on SEO Clerk, and then you get paid. Fixing the amounts you want, and then you get paid. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel.